when we talk about the top causes of rot that lead to wood siding repair, most often it's improper flashing. And the top flashing that we see that is done improperly is where a roof line cuts into a wall. At the edge of that intersection is a type of flashing that's called a kick-out flashing. And if that's done improperly, that actually diverts water back behind your existing siding. That's the number one spot that we see that's done improperly. And depending on the type of siding that's on there, you might not even know that that's happening. If it's vinyl or steel siding, the water's just dumping behind there and you won't have an idea until you start seeing things come on the inside. With wood siding, it shows through because that moisture starts to soak up into the material and paint starts peeling. You start getting the siding can be soft. Sometimes we've even seen mushrooms growing on the outside of the siding. So that indicates that there's a problem there. Another area where we see rot is from windows. And so sometimes you'll see a window that's leaking, and underneath the window the paint will start peeling. And so making sure that those, the windows aren't leaking, that's another sign that you've got rot going on there, is paint peeling, the wood getting soft, and some of these flashing areas that could be done improperly.